Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm finally gonna show you how I make my wigs. I get so many requests about it, so I'm gonna show you guys in this video. And this is the Peruvian Body Wave hair. So I have 3 bundles and a closure. I have my hot glue gun that I need to replace. I need a better hot glue gun, but yeah. Have that, scissors, and my glue sticks that I buy from Dollar Tree. I have my wig stand. I need to get an actual wig stand, the one that's like a tripod, but I just have this attachment here that I'm going to be using. This foam head that I found at the beauty supply, and a wig cap that I get from my local beauty supply. And that's it. That's all I use to do the hot glue gun method when I make my wigs. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Oh, let me take this hair out of the pack so you can see what it looks like. And I'm gonna do a review as well when I'm done making the wig. It's gonna be a separate video, but I'm gonna review the hair, tell you guys exactly what I think. But so far, it is beautiful. Look at that. So pretty. So pretty. And I believe I have 18 inches. Let me double check that for you guys. Okay, so I have 16, 18, and 20 with the bundles, and then I have a 16-inch closure. And when I do my wigs, I like to start with the longest length. So I'm going to start off with the 20-inch in the back, and I'm just going to bring it up because I don't want to start with the shortest length and have, you know, 16, 18, then 20, and then a 16-inch closure. You know, it's just not gonna look right. So I'm gonna start with the 20, then I'm gonna use the 18, and then the 16 with the 16-inch closure. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started, guys. All right, guys, so I have the closure on already. I thought my camera was recording, but it wasn't, so I can't show you how I did this part, but it's really easy. All I did was put the hot glue around the edge of the closure and, you know, glued it down. But if you look up how to make a wig using the hot glue gun method, you're gonna see hundreds of videos, so many, that's gonna show you exactly how it's done. And that's exactly how I learned. So yeah, you can just go ahead and look up another video on that part if you need to, you know, really see it. But I'm not a pro at this, so if you're like a really good wig maker and you see me doing something wrong, please don't come for me in the comments. I'm doing the best that I can, and it's been working for me so far. Of course, practice makes perfect, and I'm gonna keep working at it and really get to that level of being a pro at this. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know what was going on. Okay, so what I'm about to start doing is slanting my wefts because I did install my closure on the side. I didn't want to put it directly in the middle because I am going to be doing a side part. So I do want more hair to be on that side. And it created an uneven, you know, base for me. So I'm going to start slanting the wefts to even it out on the sides. And that way, when I reach the top of the closure, I don't have, you know, to cut the wefts. I can have one weft going all the way around the closure, and it just looks better. So that's what you see me doing. Alright guys, so when I get to this point where I have a little bit of space on the sides, I start taking it from here, going across until I come around. So that's what I'm going to do. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. I mean, I don't do like wig making videos, so hopefully you can still see and understand what's going on. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys what's going on now. guys, so this is the unit so far. I'm not done with it. I still have to go in and create my parting space, but I like to do that part while I have the unit on. So let me just place it where I want it. So about there. And I'm not gonna make it straight back. I'm gonna curve it some. This is a free part closure, so you can create your own parting space. I like side parts, so yeah, but you see it's still poofy. So I like to put it back on the phone cap and just spray the top with some water, not too much. And then I just take a brush and I'm just like forming it. And I just like to flatten it out. And that really like helps. At least that's what I like to do. And then I'll just take another cap and put it over it just to keep it nice and flat. I let this sit overnight. And then I go back in and tweeze it and, you know, make it look pretty as far as the curls, brush it out some. And yeah, I'll do that part in part 2 of this video. But yeah, that's gonna be it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching and you guys asked for it. So yeah, I wanted to just share this video with you guys. I'm not a pro at this, but I'm learning. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, give me a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.